Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Begin by planning the fruit salad, drawing with a compositional sketch. Keep everything light and adjustable. Start with a light pencil circle about 3-5 inches wide for the bowl. Place fruit shapes roughly using simple ovals and triangles, arranging larger fruits first and smaller berries last. Use a 16:9 layout for composition balance so the main cluster aligns slightly off-center. Indicate horizon and table edge with a faint line, and mark 2 to 3 focal fruits for detail priority before refining outlines. Work progressively from broad shapes to specific anatomy of each fruit. Observe reference or real fruit for accuracy. Refine each fruit with characteristic markings, seeds, segments, and a small stem about 0.5 inch, and draw pith or rind thickness where visible. Use cross-hatching for shadows and stippling for texture to suggest pores and flesh granularity. Keep lines confident and erase construction lines last so the drawing stays clean. Add overlapping edges and slight indentations where fruits press against one another to show weight. Select a cohesive palette before painting so values remain consistent. Limit to 5 colors, 3 tints, and 2 shadows for harmony. Choose a limited palette, 5 colors, 3 tints, and 2 shadows. Apply base colors flat to each fruit, respecting light direction, then layer glazes or colored pencil strokes to build midtones. Apply base colors flat, then add highlights with a 2 mm white gel pen to reflect wet surfaces. Balance warm and cool tones. Warm fruits near center to draw the eye and cool tones at the perimeter for contrast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.